Transforming your garden into a haven for wildlife not only enriches the ecosystem but also brings a sense of enchantment to your outdoor space. By inviting birds and bees into your garden, you contribute to pollination, biodiversity, and the balance of nature. In this video, we'll explore the art of crafting a wildlife-friendly garden that specifically attracts and nurtures birds and bees, providing them with the habitat, food sources, and shelter they need to thrive. Understanding the importance of birds and bees. Birds and bees play critical roles in pollination, essential for the reproduction of many plants, including those that provide food for humans and animals. By creating a welcoming environment for these creatures, you actively contribute to the health of local ecosystems and ensure the continuation of plant life. Designing for birds. Native plants. Choose native plants that offer food, shelter, and nesting sites for birds. Native plants provide familiar food sources and support local insects that birds rely on. Bird feeders. Place bird feeders strategically to provide supplemental food during times of scarcity. Opt for a variety of feeder types to accommodate different bird species. Water sources. Incorporate bird baths or shallow water features to offer birds a place to drink and bathe. Nesting boxes. Install nesting boxes suitable for different bird species. Ensure they are placed at appropriate heights and offer protection from predators. Welcoming bees. Bee-friendly plants. Select flowering plants that provide nectar and pollen for bees. Choose a range of plants that bloom at different times to ensure a consistent food supply. Avoid pesticides. Eliminate or minimize pesticide use to protect bees and other beneficial insects from harm. Bee houses. Consider installing bee houses for solitary bees, such as mason bees, which are excellent pollinators. Mud puddles. Create small mud puddles or damp areas where bees can collect mud for constructing their nests. Creating a harmonious habitat. Diverse planting. Include a mix of plants with varying heights, colors, and textures to accommodate different bird and bee preferences. Wild areas. Allow a section of your garden to grow more naturally, providing a habitat for insects, birds, and small mammals. Layered landscaping. Design your garden with layers of vegetation, from ground cover to shrubs and trees, to provide different levels of shelter and food. Sustainable practices. Implement eco-friendly practices like composting and water conservation to support a healthy garden ecosystem. Educating and inspiring. Community involvement. Share your wildlife-friendly garden journey with your community to inspire others to create similar spaces. Educational signage. Consider placing informational signs about the importance of wildlife habitats and how others can contribute. Teaching children. Involve children in gardening activities, teaching them about the vital roles of birds and bees in nature. Creating a wildlife-friendly garden that welcomes birds and bees is a rewarding endeavor that goes beyond aesthetics. By embracing sustainable practices and fostering a harmonious habitat, you contribute to the well-being of these essential creatures while enjoying the enchanting sights and sounds of nature in your own backyard. Your garden becomes not only a reflection of your care for the environment but also a sanctuary where biodiversity flourishes.